Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to block dirty websites on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is go into Settings. Once in Settings, you are going to tap on Screen Time. Then, if you have never used Screen Time before, you are going to enable it and you are going to set a passcode. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then you are going to tap on Content Restrictions and you are going to enter your screen time passcode. Then you will see the option Web Content. You are going to tap on that. Then tap on Limit Adult Websites. And you can also tap on Never Allow at the bottom of the page right here. If you know the particular website or websites URL, you can paste them right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.